doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today I'm really excited because we're opening up one of my all-time favorite skincare box, Test Tube Beauty. So here's a tube right here. It comes in a bigger box. There's some things outside of the tube, which we'll see shortly. So Test Tube Beauty, like I implied, is a skincare and beauty subscription. It is bi-monthly, meaning you get it every other month, which I love. So that gives you some time to really enjoy your products before you get some new ones. And it costs $29.95 a month. There is a shipping charge as well. Usually these boxes do sell out, but I just looked on their website before filming, so as of right now, you can still get the box I am opening, or the tube I am opening. So if you're interested after seeing this, definitely subscribe. I think this is great. So you pay like around $30-something because shipping, and you get like over $180, probably more usually, in skincare items. Most of it's full size. You do get some deluxe size things as well. One reason why I love this, because I have a lot of skincare. Like, I'm overloaded. I get a lot of boxes, so I get a lot of skincare. Like, I'm not complaining, but I have a lot of stuff. But in Test Tube Beauty, you get a lot of like unique products. Like every single month, or every time I open this, I get items that like add to my routine or are just a little bit different. So it's not just like repetitive items like another, you know, whatever serum or whatever, another cleanser. So usually they have like unique properties, are really cool, and I just have been loving it. And it comes in this tube, and it's always so cute. They're different every time. You can use these to like store your makeup brushes. I have one in my bathroom right here, like where I clean my brushes. I like dry them in here and stuff. I have a few now. I need to like come up with other uses for them because I think this is just so cute. So today we will be unboxing the January/February 2020 box. And stay tuned. If you stick with me to the end, there will be a little giveaway. So this month I'm going to do random giveaways in my videos. I normally probably won't give this little disclaimer in the beginning of my video, but just letting you know, watch out. So there will be giveaways scattered throughout the month. Because I want to give back to you guys, my subscribers. I love you so much. Thank you for making YouTube just so much fun for me. I love connecting with you guys, and I want to give back. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But anyways, let's get started on today's video. So like I said, most of the items are in here. Outside the box, we had this pamphlet that talks about the items inside. I really like this. It gives you a lot of useful information on each page, and it's colorful and bright. It tells you what the product is, how to use it, editor's feedback, key ingredients, and expert insight. So definitely very useful. There's two things that didn't fit in the tube, so how about we start with those? Apparently the theme is the matchmaker, so there's a note here from the editor. I won't read all of it, but it looks like there's something even more satisfying about it when it's a brand they've never heard of. So I guess we're gonna have some brands that aren't super well known, but I think that's cool. So we'll see what's inside. But anyways, let's get started on the product. So the first thing that was outside the box looks like it's a pack of sheet masks. So let me open this up and we can see if they're like different or if they're all the same. So this is by Soon Skincare Face Mask Trio. So yeah, I've never heard of Soon Skincare, so far it is new brands. I love the packaging. It looks like these are all different. Maybe not. So the first one, it says Biocellulose Anti-Aging Face Mask. This has collagen, pullulan, I don't know that, and adenosine. And the next one, also biocellulose, but this is a firming mask, and this is made with several ingredients, including niacinamide, which I love. I use that in my skincare routine every day. And then a collagen mask. So they are all different. So it says the prices range from $18 to $22. Also on all these sheets, it gives promo codes for all of the items. So if you're interested in any of them specifically, instead of just getting the box, let me know and I could give you that code. But it says, this is a holy trinity of firming and hydrating sheet mask that transforms skin in less than 20 minutes thanks to powerhouse ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. And it gives you directions. You just use them like sheet masks, like 15 to 20 minutes, where like pat the essence in, all that. And it talks about the key ingredients. I won't read everything for every item or we'll be here forever. All of these have different key ingredients, so I don't think they got like too much into it, but it does talk about the capachu fruit seeds. It says it's removed from the pulp, left to dry in the sun, and then cold pressed to create a rich butter. Okay. I love like masks. I use them at least a few times a week, so I will definitely get some use out of these. Now the next item, this is interesting. This is by Body Butt is the New Face Squeeze It Citrus Butt Sheet Mask, brightening and rejuvenating. There's two sheets. I guess you wear it for 10 minutes. So, okay, I was gonna say, look at this little butt. My butt is kind of shaped like a butt, can you see? I've got way bigger of a booty than that. So it says 2 sheets. It looks like you put one on each butt cheek. This is hilarious. So it says love your butt. You should love your butt. We all got good butts. So our butt sheet masks are formulated to tone, smooth, firm, and improve texture. Okay, you guys see what I mean? How we get different things? We just got a butt sheet mask. I'm totally gonna use it. Cruelty-free, powered by lemon, brightening cucumber, refreshing orange, exfoliating grapefruit, even skin tone. So you're supposed to apply it to clean skin, keep on for 10 to 15 minutes. Peel sheets off, feel butt beautiful. So I wonder, like, if you put it on, you're gonna have to like lay on your tummy or what? I'm definitely gonna try this. I could let you guys know if you guys have tried this. Let me know your experience. But it says this body butt sheet mask is formulated with citrus to brighten and rejuvenate your butt skin. Like I said, butt in parentheses. It helps reduce the appearance of blemishes and alleviate dullness, leaving your skin plump, hydrated, and radiant looking. It's like the sunshine for your behind. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. So the lowdown on butt skincare. From sweaty leggings to sitting down for hours, your butt skin goes through a lot. It's as sensitive as the skin in your face, so it's about time you show it some love. I am totally gonna show my booty some love later. This is amazing. Never thought about it. Like, I tried Moisturizer, like, is that TMI? I don't know, but, so this is actually sold at Ulta and it is $9, so. And it says, a cheeky take on skincare. This is great. I can't wait to use it. It makes more sense now that it's 2 sheets for each butt cheek, because I thought it was like this. I'm like, okay, so like for face sheet masks, like we all have like, you know, it might be too big or too small on faces, but it generally fits, but like butt size ranges like drastically between people. But I guess we'll see how much of my booty this covers, and I'll keep you guys updated if you want to know. Is that TMI telling you about my butt skincare routine that I'll now have? But let's move on to what is actually in the tube. So sneak peek, that's what it looks like. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm just gonna grab, first thing I noticed, this is by Free, I believe, F-R-E, Protect Me Defense Facial Moisturizer, formulated for sweating skin. Okay, I'm constantly sweating. Like, I noticed in a recent video, I was just like all wet right here. I mean, I live in Florida, plus I'm just a sweaty girl. I'm not one of those like little cold things, you know? I'm like a overweight sweaty person. But this is made with Argania Active Complex. It has SPF 30. I'm all about the SPF as well. So this is what it looks like. How big is this? This is 60 ml, so this may be full size, I'm not positive. So, wow, this is $50. I think this is the full size. That's expensive. Wow, that's nice getting in this box. It's like double the price of the box almost. So, moisturizer meets sunscreen meets antioxidant. This lightweight cream defends against UV rays, free radical damage, and dryness. It says headed to yoga, no sweat, because this formula was designed with exercise in mind and stays put no matter the workout. Okay, so cool. So it's like sweat proof. And then it talks more about the ingredients inside. It looks like it has fatty acids to support skin barrier function. Vitamins B5 and E fight free radicals, while vitamin A helps encourage healthy skin turnover. And sterols work to moisturize the skin, while calming ingredients like chamomile and rooibos, am I saying that right? I looked that up last time. I think it's rooibos, mitigate redness. So yeah, there's jam-packed with good stuff. I love that there's SPF as well. And then it's sweat proof. I was hoping at first it like would just like stop the sweat, but I don't think anything can really stop the sweat. Well, Botox can, I guess, but I've never had that. Next up, whoa, this is a professional extra whitening system for your teeth. I could use this. So this is by Super Smile. It comes with a whitening accelerator and a whitening toothpaste, and this is definitely not full size. I've tried something like this before. So it says all-in-one, instant results after the first brushing. Oh my god, I need this. So I guess you use 2 drops of each, the toothpaste and the accelerator. You use in Synergy, no need for any other toothpaste. So it says use 2 minutes, 2 times a day. So I guess like the normal toothbrush directions, I should really do it. I don't think I do it for a full 2 minutes. Confession. So yeah, these are pretty teeny. These are like travel size. But I'm excited because if it whitens your teeth after the first try, like awesome. So, oh, I guess there's gonna be a toothbrush in here too. So it's $9 and $12. So I think the whitening system, these 2 here are $12. And there should be a toothbrush in here too, apparently. Or was it a, oh yeah, cool. So we got a toothbrush as well. It has a cool handle. Can you guys see? I don't really want to open it because I'm gonna wait to use it. Maybe I'll put this in my travel bag. So it's a Super Smile New Generation 45-degree toothbrush and extra whitening system. So the toothbrush is $9. It says an on-the-go kit with Super Smile's most advanced whitening system, a professional whitening toothpaste and professional whitening accelerator that works together to eliminate surface stains, plus a patented 45-degree toothbrush. Cool. So 45 degrees, yeah. This toothbrush is cool. So yeah, I'll definitely, this is like a perfect travel set like they said, so I'll put this in my travel bag because I will be doing some traveling soon. Next up is Naturally G4U, so good for you. It says Beauty Has No Age, Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Serum. This is formulated with vitamin C, vitamin A, meadow foam, seed oil. It's vegan, cruelty-free, plant-based. Awesome. It says all-in-one serum brightens appearance, exfoliates, and supports skin elasticity for a smooth glowing look. It says apply a thin layer to clean skin and leave on, maybe use under makeup or moisturizer. Cool. So this is what it looks like. I love getting stuff like this. It has retinol in it. And this is 1 fluid ounce, so this is the typical size for serums. So you could have gotten this anti-wrinkle serum, the retinol anti-wrinkle serum, or the instant eye repair serum, and obviously I got the regular serum, not the eye one. And it says this is $19.99. You could get these at Ulta. And the retinol serum, a do-it-all serum that brightens, exfoliates, and firms skin for a glowy effect. And then it gives more information. It says vitamin C defends against free radicals, and vitamin A stimulates collagen production to minimize the appearance of fine lines. Cool. Next we have something by Renee Ferturer, I'm probably saying it wrong, I apologize, Paris. This is a hairspray. It's vegetal texture spray. Vegetal texture spray. I can't speak, or I just don't know these words, to be honest. So this is definitely a deluxe size or sample size. This is $10. It says it's a lightweight dry styling spray with vitamin B5 that gives new life to tired tresses without leaving behind residue. Hold 10 inches from dry hair and spray for volume and texture to apply before, or apply before styling updos and braids for additional grip. As you can tell, I could totally use more volume and definitely more texture. Whenever I curl my hair, I just have no texture on my hair, so it doesn't really hold. So I will definitely try this out. The next item is 10 Free Chemistry Clean Nail Color, up to 85% naturally derived, Nail Energy Biopeptide Complex, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free. This says 10 Free Chemistry, so it's free of a bunch of stuff that's not good for you. So it's like a clear nail polish or what? It's not, I thought it was gonna be clear. I think I said clear instead of clean. It's a clean nail polish. So this is in the color Moon Rocks. I get dip nail. Oh man, one of them broke. Sorry, that's not attractive. Like right after I got it, but yeah. My own nails are really long besides this one. So I don't know if I will put this in a giveaway or if I will use it because I do paint my toes. I recently got a pedicure though when I got my last manicure, but normally I do my toes to save some money. So this is $18. It says a hyper clean long-wear nail polish packed with natural ingredients and peptides for beautiful pigment. This is really pretty. I think this is a good color for this time of year too. So yeah, not sure if I'll keep this or pass it on. And the last item in here is by Where Is Pore White Cake Pack. Brightening and cooling effects. It's made with kaolin. So what is this? A white cake pack. It says soothes, glows, and exfoliates. Apply evenly to clean, dry skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse clean with lukewarm water. So this is a mask then, obviously. And it says tip, keep refrigerated to enhance pore tightening and skin soothing benefits. I do have a skincare fridge, but it was like getting all wet inside and it made me nervous, so I unplugged it, but I'll have to look into that and I'll definitely put this in my skincare fridge or my real fridge, depending on how that goes. Well, this is $37. Oh, and there's a little scoopy thing, which I appreciate with jarred products, because if you have longer nails, like I was just talking about my long natural nails, kind of gets underneath, it's gross, so I'm glad they provided that. This is what it looks like. So a radiance boosting facial in a jar that delivers deep hydration, purges pores, and exfoliates with the help of fruit enzymes and Amazonian clay. Apply to the areas of the face that need a little extra attention. Amazonian white clay removes impurities, while a combination of rice powder and buckwheat flour prevent future breakouts by gently removing dead skin cells. Okay, definitely could use that because my skin's been behaving badly, but I was behaving badly. I slept in my makeup a few times recently. I know, it's my fault. Gotta get better about that. Wash your face, people. So that is everything. I think this is a pretty good month. I don't know if it was my all-time favorite one. And I'll be honest, the thing I'm the most excited to try is definitely the butt mask. definitely this. But I think everything is really great. And the teeth whitening system thing, because I can definitely use it. In the serum. Yeah, I think I'll use most of the stuff. Again, I might give away the nail polish, but anyway, speaking of giveaways, let's talk about today's mini giveaway in this video. So I just have 2 items here. I might throw in a little few other things. These are the main things. So I have here the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is like a cult favorite. This is a full size. I think it's like almost $50 or something like that. So I have this here, and then I also have a full size of the makeup eraser. So I've been using this. I have multiple. That's why this one's going in the giveaway. I love it. It works so well. Their tip though, like when you first get it, you're supposed to put it in the washer machine and clean it before you use it, and then it'll work fine. Because I guess if you don't do that, it doesn't work. I don't really know why, but just want to let you guys know. So yeah, one of you will win this, and then a few other little extra goodies. So like all my giveaways, it's super easy to enter. Main things, you have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and then leave a comment down below letting me know you want to be entered. It could be any comment. You can let me know what your favorite item in the box was. Would you try a butt mask? You know, whatever you want to leave down there, make sure to leave a comment. You can leave as many comments as you want, because I will use a random comment generator to pick a comment, and then I will make sure whatever that random comment was, that the person followed all the rules, and then I will pin your comment and reply to it letting you know you won, and you have 48 hours to get back to me. So we will have this giveaway just open for 1 week. So let's see, what is the date today? I should have looked at this before. So we will have this end on January 15th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time, and then I will draw the winner on the 16th. I will leave all this information down below. But yeah, I hope you guys like these items. I thought this was like a little fun thing to go together, because these are 2 items people love. I can attest to one of them. So yeah, good luck to everyone entering, and thank you guys all so much for being here and watching. I truly love you so much, and I hope you're having a good one. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.